Today we are tackling a frustrating issues many players face in Warzone 2025, missing DLC data packs. If you have encountered this problem, don't worry, we have some actionable steps to help you out in the game quickly. Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with missing DLC pack in Warzone 2025, you are not alone. Many players have reported the issue, especially after updates. Let's dive into some effective solutions to get you back in the action. First, restart your console in safe mode. For PlayStation users, hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Select Rebuild Database. This process might take a few minutes but can resolve many issues, including DLC problems. Ensure you have enough storage on your console. Go to Settings, Storage, and see what's taking up space. Clear out unnecessary files if needed, as insufficient space can prevent DLC from downloading. Navigate to the game menus and select Manage Game Content. Here you can see if the DLC packs are installed correctly. If not, try reinstalling them. If you have saved data in the cloud, transfer it back to your console. Then go to safe mode again and perform another database rebuild. As a last resort, uninstall Warzone and then reinstall it. If you're on a newer console like PS5, consider downloading the PS4 version of Warzone, as if sometimes resolve the compatibility issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the missing DLC data pack issues in Warzone 2035 and jump back into the battlefield without any hassle. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Happy aiming!